Welcome. In today's calculus lesson, we are going to explore the derivative of the natural logarithm. You have probably seen the formula. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. But why is that? In this video, we will derive this result using the inverse relationship with Euler's number, e. First, let's quickly review the exponential function. Y equals e to the x. This function is special in calculus because it is its own derivative. As you can see on the graph, at any point on the curve, the slope of the tangent line is exactly equal to the value of the function itself. For example, at the point 1, e, the slope is also e. Now, let's look at the natural logarithm. Y equals ln of x. This is simply the inverse function of e to the x. This means that if y equals natural log x, then x equals e to the power of y. This relationship is the key to unlocking the derivative without using complicated limits. If we graph both functions, we can see they are mirror images across the line y equals x. Notice how the red curve, e to the x, shoots up very quickly. Its reflection, the green curve ln of x, grows much slower. We expect its slope to get smaller and smaller as x increases. Let's start the derivation. We begin with the function y equals natural log x. Our first step is to rewrite this equation in its exponential form, e to the power of y equals x. We do this because we already know how to differentiate e. Next, we differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x. We apply the d over dx operator to the left side, e to the y, and to the right side, x. Here is the tricky part. On the left side, since y is a function of x, we must use the chain rule. The derivative of e to the y is e to the y, multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is dy dx on the right side. The derivative of x is simply 1. Now, we have a simple algebraic equation. We want to find dy dx, so we divide both sides by e to the y. This gives us dy dx equals 1 over e to the y. We are almost done, but our answer is in terms of y. Remember our very first step. We defined x is equal to e to the y, so we can just replace e to the y with x. This gives us our final result. The derivative of natural log x is 1 over x. Let's verify this visually. The formula 1 over x tells us the slope. When x is small, like 0.5, the slope is 2, which is steep. As x gets larger, the slope becomes a tiny fraction, which matches the flattening shape of the logarithm graph. I hope this helps you understand where this formula comes from.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.